Hello brothers and sisters, welcome to SRT Lifestyle channel. Kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification icon because we're going to see a lot of fabulous facts in this channel. Let's spread positivity because positivity is the need of the hour. There's only one man who is standing between hope and crisis for Tamil Nadu. He is none other than our Honorable Chief Minister, Mr. M.K. Stalin. A huge responsibility lies on his shoulders. DMK won the 2021 Tamil Nadu election and Mr. M.K. Stalin became the CM on 7th of May 2021. People really didn't know what to expect from him because he was new to the seat. He is a brand new CM for Tamil Nadu. With not much expectations, the general public thought it was going to be a run-of-the-mill ruling for the next 5 years. But this man with his smart administration and brilliant plan execution is the new leader for the people and by the people. People and media are heaping laurels of admiration and gratitude for our new Chief Minister. It's a very short span he has taken charge, but he has hit the ball out of the park. Mr. M.K. Stalin has a long way to go. Will he stand up to a belief? Let's wait and watch. Mr. M.K. Stalin is the 8th Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, also son of former Chief Minister Mr. M.K. Karunanidhi. He has been in active politics in DMK for the past 50 years. He was the 37th Mayor of Chennai from 1996 to 2002 and first Deputy Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu from 2009 to 2011. That's a very powerful saying. Let the action speak, not the words. I'm going to talk about the 5 things our new Chief Minister nailed with his brilliant action. Firstly, a great warrior needs a great team, and Mr. M.K. Stalin carefully chose his list of ministers and officers. This particular team came into action right from day one he took charge. Ministers, let's take a look at the top 4 ministers first. Mr. P.T.R. Tyagarajan, Finance Minister. Mr. Anbil Mahesh Poyamoli, Minister of School Education. Mr. Ponmodi, Higher Education Minister, and Mr. Thangam Tennarasu, Department of Industries. Leading from the front is Mr. P.T.R. Tyagarajan, well educated, MBA from MIT, worked for Lehman Brothers and Standard Chartered in Singapore. Next to the official team, we are going to talk about the 4-member personal secretary or the office advisors, you call them. Mr. Uday Chandran IAS, hailing from Namakkal district, is a very honest and straightforward person. He was responsible for bringing in technology for government sectors. He boldly brought out the TNPC bribe scam. Anu George IAS. She was celebrated by people of Ariyalur. She came into limelight when she single-handedly showcased the bribe scam in appointing government teachers. She also filed case against all the higher officials responsible for the scam. The third is Mr. Shanmugam IAS, played a pivotal role in redesigning tender norms for all government projects, known for boldly refusing bribes, and he restructured all the tender norms. Umanath IAS played a huge role during this COVID-19 pandemic. He brought in a systematic approach for distribution of medicine and oxygen supplies to all the hospitals. Apart from this, Mr. Gagandeep Singh Bedi, he has been appointed as Chennai Corporation Commissioner. He was instrumental in helping Kadalur people rebuild their lives aftermath of 2004 tsunami. Mr. Irayanbu IAS as Chief Secretary. There has to be a special mention about Mr. Irayanbu because he was responsible for restricting sand mafia in Nagapattinam and reducing child labor and help kids get proper education. He is a man with clean hands. After MGR, the ex-CM, he is the new CM who is considered to have direct communication with the general public who voted him. Well, this may look taken right out of a movie scene, but it's really true. On May 14, 10:30 p.m., our Chief Minister, Mr. Stalin, visited the Unified Command Room, the COVID-19 call center room or the war room you call it. The call center officials were taken by surprise. He even attended a call from Archana Padmaka, who dialed 104 seeking a bed for 78-year-old aunt. At the second ring, a staff at the call center picked up a call and later handed it over to the Chief Minister, Mr. M.K. Stalin, who not only allotted a bed but also wished her aunt a speedy recovery. When a security guard donated his 1 month's salary to the CM Relief Fund for COVID, Mr. Stalin made sure that he met the security guard in person and donated him a book. 7-year-old Harish Varman, son of an electrician in Madurai, who recently donated his piggyback savings to Tamil Nadu CM's COVID relief fund. What a sweet surprise from the new Chief Minister, Mr. M.K. Stalin. A new bicycle was given to this kid, and the CM even spoke to the kid over the phone. Apart from this, the COVID treatment under private hospitals will be covered under CM insurance scheme. The treatment charges of the patients will be covered under this. It has been a very well known fact that whenever relief materials are given out to people in Tamil Nadu, what they basically do is they print out the Chief Minister's picture and the party symbol, whichever party has won the elections. But for the first time in the last 20 years, it has been Mr. M.K. Stalin has made sure that neither his picture nor his party symbol will be on the relief fund bags. Only the government, Tamil Nadu government symbol will be on those bags. This is a very big welcome change because Mr. M.K. Stalin has shown door for new kind of politics that he is doing now. Apart from this, the Chief Minister's Relief Fund, it has been given by people, Tamil people all over the world and from people from Tamil Nadu. See, he's been very transparent about it, what all he has spent, and he's given a proper accounts of the money that has been spent, the relief fund that is being spent for each of COVID-19 actions. Adding to all this, a new Chief Minister has given strict instructions to officials and ministers that there should be no corruption and no bribes. This has been a strict action, and he has asked people to report if any such incidents has happened. It's a very new change for Tamil Nadu because for the past 20 years people have been thronging for a leader like this. He has been doing brilliant changes and he has been doing very smart actions, but let's wait and watch as this is too early. It's been almost a month that he's taken charge, but we have to wait and watch. But this, whatever he's currently doing, is we have never seen in the past 20 years. So this is a totally new kind of a person that we are looking after. We want a leader to be like this. That's what we've been expecting. He is standing there and he is delivering what he has said, and he has been a role model for all of us. So let us hope that it's going to continue, and for the next 5 years it's going to be a brilliant ruling in Tamil Nadu that we have never seen before. Thanks a lot, Mr. CM.